Hey, what's up, everybody? Got the Weber Ranch kettle firing up, the 37-incher. On today's menu is a New York strip choice, heavily marbled for choice, if you ask me. I use this stuff all the time. It's very, very good. Put it on hamburgers, all my steaks. So I got it at the local grocery store. I've had it for quite a while, but I recommend it. It's very good. I'm going to be using the wireless thermometer, the Armeator One, right there. Manage that from the app on my phone. We'll get that into a little bit. Very nice wireless thermometer that we'll stick it right in this guy here and get him on there, and we'll see how this thing turns out. All right, got the steak all seasoned up right nice, heavily, all sides. Got the Armeator One right in there, center it up. Now, let's get this guy on here. Let's see, I'll do it fat cap towards the coals. Got some char logs going on in there. So I'm going to do this indirect, bring it up to about, I don't know, 115-ish. Follow along with the app with the notifications, and I'll bring it over on the lump log side and char it up and cook this guy up. Cool. Here's the app. I have the cook set up. It was pretty straightforward, quick and easy. So it's already reading 54 degrees internally. It was 52 when I first put it in. My target temp of 134, which is a medium rare setting on the app. It was built in, so I just selected medium rare, and it had 134 there. So once it hits about 113, I'll bring it over and start searing it. Cool. All right, we're at 74 internal. I forgot to add a chunk of oak, so I just did. That's what you're looking at there. I'm just gonna, the efforts of time, I'm gonna bring this a little closer in because I need to have this done at a certain time. So while we're here, let's take a look. Oh my. Cool, cool. All right, back. All right, let's do this. Woo. As big as that lid is, it's very, very easy to maneuver it. All right, as you saw, it hit 115. That's the sweet spot, so I'm gonna bring it over here and start searing it up. Well, I already got some sear on that side. We'll just finish that off. Just like that. Might flip it around. There we go. Cool. You guys got to do that Johnny steak seasoning. I think that's what it was. Let's see. Yep. Right there. There it is again. Very, very good. Cool. All right. Man, this is going to be a nice juicy steak. Pretty damn thick too. All right, that looks good. Let's get it on that side. Let's see how we did. Some serious grate marks right there. That's how tender the meat is though, that's why. All right, I just checked the app. We're at 125 internal. So let's keep it going. Whoops, I got to pay attention to where I have the camera angled. Sorry about that. Can't do two things at once sometimes. It's easy cooking on this big Weber. Yeah. I don't think I'll ever have it filled up entirely. But we'll see. I think I just challenged myself. Damn it. All right, hit 134 on the app. Oh, look at that. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a little steak right there, let her rest for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back in and slice it up, see how it did. All right, guys, there it is. It's been a good 5 minutes. So, let's see how it turned out. Look at all that juice that's pouring out of there. All right. Looking mighty fine. I'm just gonna cut it right in half. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Not as pink as I would have hoped for 134, but looks delish. So let's try it. Oh man, that tastes good too. All right. Oh man, that's a delicious bark. Man, so good, so good. All right, there we go. Very, very juicy. Hopefully it's picking it up. A little pinker than it appears on camera, but let's see. Let's test it out. Wow, oh man. That is incredible. Crazy how it pulls apart at 134. That's like brisket. Probably the best steak seasoning I've ever had. Woo, that is a damn good steak. All right, that's pretty good. That's an excellent turnout. First steak on the Weber Ranch. First use of the Armeator One. Steak turned out perfect, so can't complain about that. Thanks everybody. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm Mike. I'll catch you next time.